Today, let's compare which type of air duct is better for steel structure factories. Steel structure factories are highly sensitive to load-bearing capacity. Traditional metal air ducts are relatively heavy, which will increase the burden on the roof and beams. In contrast, fabric air ducts are much lighter and hardly add any extra load to the steel beams, eliminating concerns about structural load-bearing capacity and ensuring extremely high safety. Traditional iron sheet air ducts usually have only a few air outlets, which can easily cause uneven cooling and heating. Fabric air ducts, on the other hand, can deliver air through the entire surface or along the length with multiple rows of micro-hole jets, achieving uniform air distribution throughout the area.